Okay, first of all, I teach in a second grade classroom. And today I'm going to be talking about explain how I incorporate number talks in our daily math curriculum. Our school system had an in service about 3 years ago on the topic of number talks. I was very intrigued and I started incorporating that technique in my daily lessons, math lessons. And as a result, over the past couple of years, my students' math scores have soared. So the number talk segment of the day usually lasts 10 to 20 minutes. And at the beginning of the year, I start with a number like 12, 16, 18, some small number to be a part of the number of the day. And I give each student an opportunity to share what they know about the number. As the moderator, I give feedback and I write the students' replies on the board. So we talk about things like word form, expanded form, even and odd, nearest 10. We even do money values like coins and 10 more, 10 less, 5 more, 5 less. And then we have the students, like you can see on the right, where they give the number sentences that go with the number. We try to think of every single number that we can that will go with that number, that will give us that sum. And this is what we usually do at the beginning of the year. And you're going to begin to see as the year progresses, the numbers get larger, and we start incorporating other things into our number talks. Like you can see here, we've done the break aparts. We're breaking apart the number, like 278. You can kind of get an idea of how I do the board and reinforce what they're learning. Okay, now this one was taken probably in the middle of the year. You can see how advanced they're getting, more and more advanced. And this one, 656. The break apart method, you can see there, they're really doing good with the break apart method. So I'll let you kind of see, even we're starting there already to do multiplication. Because you can see that one, the fourth one down on the left, 6 times 100 plus 41 plus 15. Now, like I said, this is second grade, so they're already starting, their math knowledge is starting to increase quite a bit already. The next slide, this one's kind of an up close and you can see how they're advancing. Like Kaylee's 10 times 4 plus 1,000 times 1 plus 100 times 6. They come up with these on their own and they share it and they explain how they got that number. And as they do this, this helps the other students that may not be as advanced as they are, and they can see with them sharing. And they have a visual because I write everything they say on the board. It's really a great way to teach about place value. Here's a different one. It's 4,098. And if you can see, we're getting really advanced here. This is closer to the end of the year, probably in March. So Cooper even said 555 times 10 minus 1,452 equals 4,098. So as you can see, the number, everything they come up with in our number sentences has to have the number of the day somewhere incorporated in that number. And I always give my own as well. As you can see, the very last one, Miss Christina, see mine was 16,392 divided by 4. So I always explain to how I got my answer. And usually when I do one, the next day, they try to incorporate what I did the day before. So that's kind of an incentive to make them think harder, higher order thinking. So that's a close-up of that, 4,098. By the end of the year, we get to 10,000, over 10,000, close to 100,000. The kids want to go on because they see that they're really unlimited as what they can learn. And so it makes them excited. And it's really a fun, creative, remarkable way to increase math scores for my second grade students. And at the end of the year, we do the STAR Math Assessment from Renaissance. And it's not unusual for my students to score at 4th, 5th, 6th grade level at the end of the year. It's really remarkable. So thanks for watching.